Okay, we're about to start the second box break of the Select 2011 NRL Strike. This is the first pack. Okay, all common cards are in the first pack. Second packet. And like I explained with the first box break, we've cut the tops of all these packs just to make it easier and quicker to run through. We always cut the tops of the packs, pull them straight out to make sure we've got the best quality card for you guys to buy on our eBay shop, the Game Day shop. Next packet. Now all these cards from these box breaks will be for sale starting the 22nd of July in our eBay shop and also in our web shop, the Game Day shop. All common so far. Fourth packet. All commons again. Next pack. We've got our first hit for the box. The club player. We should get 4 or 5 of those in the box. It's our first one. Next packet. Got our second club player, 2 packs in a row. Got Matthew Scott. He was a quality player in the State of Origin series this year. Our third club player for the box, Matt Hilda. Next pack. Okay, nice one. This would be one of the predictors that I'm hoping to pull. That's the Brisbane Broncos predictor. Very nice looking card, the predictors. Broncos are a show of winning this year. Could be a big year for Darren Lockyer. Next pack. It's our fourth club player for the box, Jamie Lyon. Nice looking card. Next packet. All commons again. Next packet. Still looking for our award winner and our signature from this box. We've got Team of the Year card, Michael Ennis. Next packet. All commons. We're also looking out for those hits for the 1 per case of redemption card and also the Premiership redemption card, which should, for St George Dragons, which should come 1 in every case too. So one of these 12 boxes, we're hoping to get one of each of those. All commons again. Next pack. Okay, we've pulled our second Team of the Year for the box. Now, different to our first box, these are both 2009 in this year, so it's interesting just to keep an eye on that. You don't receive one of each necessarily. This is the 2009 one, Anthony Hopnow. Next packet. Okay, we've got a 5th club player for this box. Award winners, Dally M medalist, Jared Hayne. And he's limited 165 of 400. Nice looking card. Next packet. All commons. Got this auto in the last 3 packets. Next pack. All commons. 2 packs to go. Still looking for that auto. Okay. This pack's got the auto in it. Go through them. Let's see. Who we got? We've got Dylan Farrell from the Rabbitohs. And this auto, of course, this one will be for sale in the game day shop. It'll be on auction on eBay on the 22nd of July. We'll start auctioning those cards off. And whoa, nice number. Number 002 of 300. Can't get any lower than that. Select generally keep the first card of every release. So as far as I know, that is the lowest card on the market, a 002, probably the lowest number I've ever pulled out of a box. So very happy about that. Wouldn't have minded it being a higher quality team and player, but that's a nice low number, 002. Very happy with that. Just a review on the pulls from box number 2 in the box break series for NRL Strike Series 2. We've got the club player, which I found 1 and 8. We've pulled 5 of those in this box, so above the odds. We've got Melbourne Storm, Ryan Hinchcliffe, Matthew Scott from the Cowboys, Matt Hilda from Newcastle, Jamie Lyon from Manly, and Luke Bailey from the Gold Coast Titans. Now also we've pulled the 2 per box Team of the Year. These are both 2009 ones that we've pulled. Michael Ennis and Anthony Watmow. Our 1 per box predictor for the box is the Brisbane Broncos. Happy with that one. Our 1 per box award winner for the box, Jared Hayne, Dally M winner. This one's numbered 165 to 400. And our 1 per box top prospect signature, Dylan Farrell. And the great thing about this one is that it's numbered 002 of 300. Ultra low number. Now the Game Day Network, or the Game Day concept of websites, will be giving away a box of this 2011 Select NRL Strike Series 2. Just go to our website www.gamedaytradingcards.com and take a look on there. You'll see the logo for Win a Box. Click on there, it'll give you all the competition details. All you need to do is join up to our website and you'll be given a ticket in the draw for one of these boxes. Box is going to be drawn on our big YouTube event on Grand Final Day for the Rugby League. So go to the website, join up now, and you're in the draw to win one of these boxes valued at $185.